ugitiri wa thiinie Profesa Kithure Kindiki niekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya mwanya niguo gucokia ciurie na makiria uhoro wigie munyabarire wa wavisi yake na makinya maria kinyukitie kuma hindĩ ya kurirwa kioya matamu ma wathani. Kindiki no ria wikinyirie kamitini ithatu mwanya nithiite na mbere na kuga ati ugitiri gitaro-ini kia rugongo rwa Rift Valley ni githiite na mbere na ukorwo kimurikwo na njira nene, akiuga ati nimenyitĩtie muthiuri gutigirira ati undu no akorwo kirona naguo gukiri uguo. Kindiki ni athiite na mbere na gutariria ati mihang'o mingi na makiria uheani wa motungata ma thirikari na maria makoretwo makwamite wabici-ini cia thirikari ni gutigirira ati ni ahurana na undu uyu gutigirira ati ni kana mitaratara iyo ni akorwo ikihiuhio na njira iria yagiriire. Triza wainaina uratuhingurira mutamburuko witu wa muthenya wa umuthi.
Minista wa ugitiri wa thiinie Kithure Kindiki niekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge niguo acokie ciurie ciigie ugitiri wa gitaro kia Rift Valley ya rugongo. Kindiki niaugire ati niguo gukia ungumania mihinga-ini ya barabara ya West Pokot niegutigirira ati migiko iyo ni arutwo na borithi a traffic marirugamagia ngari cia ukui iria cikirukite watho magiteithirio ni kamera cia barabara kumenya ngari icio.
Or the directive of the removal of roadblocks has been expedited or has been informed by the need to increase Kenya's competitiveness in the region because we are losing it. The patrols will still perpetuate the same corruption. I think there is a way we will handle that because the policy framework we want to enforce is that transit vehicles should not be stopped unless there is a commission of a cognizable offense.
Niathire na mbere na kuga ati niegutigirira aruti a wira a Nyayo House aria makoretwo maikuruhanio na ungumania ni meherio ofisi niguo akenya maheo mautungata mavaciriire na mamukire ibande na passports na ihenya uria kwagiriire.
I admitted we have a problem with immigration. And I want to commit that I'll provide leadership there. We will clean Nyayo House from corruption and all manner of crimes. There are good officers who are there serving the country very patriotically, but there are few. There are few. That is the problem. There are others there collecting bribes and harassing the people of Kenya to get services which they should be getting for free and as their right.
Augire ati ministry yake mivango-ini ya kuruguria ibande cia kiriu kuria o Mukenya arikoragwo na maisha number iria arihuthagira eta gibande giake.
If every adult will convert the current IDs into a personal number for the adults, and every newborn gets a personal number which becomes the number of at birth, it becomes their ID number when they reach the age of majority, it becomes their death certificate number when they exit the world. So it will be one number for life. We will call it maisha number.
Kindiki niaugire ati niegutigirira aria mena meshiga itari miandikithie ni matunyukithio eta njira ya kugacirithia ugitiri bururi-ini.
We have an idea where the firearms could be concentrated, the illegal firearms. So part of that engagement is that as we provide the community NPRs, that they should also mobilize the communities to surrender illegal firearms. And of course, if they don't surrender voluntarily, we'll go and take them by force.
Ngirivotera Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Triza wainaina.
That we move to the next level